Hello and welcome. In the previous video, we learned how to create a new Android Studio project. We named the project My First App. You can see the ID given while creating project is displayed here in the tree view under the project tab. All of the project files and folders are structurally displayed in this project tab. In this video, we will see what structure and files are created by Android Studio. First, notice two files, mainActivity.kt and activitymain.xml, that are opened by Android Studio after the project is created. These two files together make an activity. An activity represents a single screen of an app. A mobile app can have multiple screens. Each new screen is an activity. In activitymain.xml, we define the interface of an activity. All controls like buttons or text view are defined in this file. We also set the properties like width, height, or location of a control in this file. The other file, mainActivity.kt, contains the behavior and functionality of an activity. The mainActivity.kt file is located under the Java folder. The other file, activitymain.xml, is located under the res and layout folder. Let's have a look at the other files created by Android Studio. First, we will open Android manifest.xml, which is located under the manifest folder. This manifest file describes essential information about your app to the Android build tools, the Android operating system, and Google Play. After the installation of an app, its icon and title are extracted from this Android manifest file. If an app needs internet, microphone, or camera, then all the permissions are defined in this manifest file. The next folder is Java. It contains all the source code of our app. We only have one activity till now. If we add another activity in our project, its source code file is created under the Java folder. The last two folders under the Java folder are used for testing purposes. The next folder is the rest folder. It contains all the resources used in the project. Each folder under the rest folder can hold a specific resource file. All the images used in the project are placed in the drawable folder. Layout folder contains all the activity layouts. Mipmap folder contains the icon for your app. If your app is installed on a device in which circular icons are supported, then icon from circular folder is used. The last folder, named values, has three files: colors, strings, and styles. In the color file, we can define the colors. Let me define a color so that you can have a better understanding. Write the color tag We will give the name of the color success color. Color we will use for this will be green. Let's write the green color code here. You can also choose the color from the color picker control. Just click on the color box displayed on the left side. In strings.xml file, we can define strings like title, button text. In the last file, styles.xml, we define the styles that are used throughout the app. I hope now you have a better understanding of the Android app structure. In the next video, we will discuss the basics of Kotlin. Please do subscribe and share my video. Thank you.